Top 6 under $50 items with a bonus at the end. If you stick around till then, I will have the links to each product below where you can get the exact items, and I am certain whoever you get these for will not be disappointed. Gift idea number 1 is the Sea to Summit pocket towel. This thing is awesome. It comes in this cool little case. It's made of microfiber. It's very compact, very light. You can use it on your kitchen set around camp, or I've even used it as a body towel when we jumped in the river on a very hot day. And this thing is awesome. I'll leave a link below in the video description to this exact one. There are copycats. My philosophy is buy nice, not twice. These things are so useful and durable and will last a long time. If you get the copycat, I am not sure on that. And that is gift idea number 1. Item number 2 is the Fiskars X7 Hatchet. This is great for camp. It's fairly light and it's only 14 inches from top to bottom. So it fits in your panniers on the side of your motorcycle. So the way this is designed is more like a wedge. It's really fat and it will do more all the way through cuts with one strike than most other axes or hatchets. So this thing is awesome around the camp, especially just trying to get firewood. I definitely recommend this. The link is in the video description below. You can check out reviews and get more specs on it if you would like. But that is item number 2, the Fiskars X7 Hatchet. Gift idea number 3, the Mountain Safety Research titanium tent stake hammer. This thing is very light, especially for a hammer, and it is made to pound in tent stakes as well as pull them out of the ground. So light, and it's just cool. I've been using this all year. I love it. It's under like, I don't know, about 30 bucks. I would highly recommend the MSR stake hammer. Gift idea number 4 I got from a friend of mine who literally travels on his motorcycle full time, and this is his first aid kit choice. This is the Survivewear First Aid Kit. For under $50, I don't think you can beat it, honestly. He carries it. I trust him. I've seen him use it actually, and I carry it now. It is fairly compact, pretty light, but what is awesome about it is everything in here has a spot, and it's even labeled, and it just keeps everything where it's supposed to be. I love that, especially in an emergency situation. If you need something, you don't need to be fumbling through a bag looking for what you need while somebody's hurt or bleeding. I actually had to do that, and that's when I decided I need to pick one of these up. It's pretty rugged. Another cool thing is they have a pocket in the front with little Ziplocs for your personal medicines if you're going on a trip or going on hikes, etc. You don't want to forget your heart medicine or, you know, etc. So you just keep it there, keep it in the front. There's many ways that it can attach to your bike or just be thrown inside a pannier or your backpack. I would highly recommend grabbing one of these babies. Item number 5 is the Nemo Luxury Fillo. This is a camping pillow that mixes memory foam with air. This is almost a full-size pillow, and it folds up into itself, which I just love things that have something to keep them nice and neat and together. And just pull it out. Shove that back inside itself. Inside you have the memory foam, and then the back of that is for the air. Another cool feature about this one is it has these straps on the back. If your pillow is not high enough, your neck's, you know, stretched in a weird way, you can shove like a hoodie or a shirt or anything in here, and it just will keep your pillow off the ground. This is the most adjustable sleeping pillow that I have found. Like I said, I really like this one because it is almost a full size. Keep in mind, it takes up a bit more room to carry. I'm giving this a 5 stars. Gift idea number 6 for under $50 is the C2 Summit Eros Pillow. This thing, look, it fits in your hand like this. This was my first good gear purchase, and I love it. I still love it. And when I use my Sea to Summit sleeping bag, this is definitely my go-to because it fits right inside the mummy bag hood. But you just unroll it like that, has a spot here. You just blow it up. It's really cool. If you get too much air in it, you can open this first one, push the button inside here and let some air out without letting the whole thing out. Or if you're ready to pack up camp, you pull the second tab and it's very easy to get the air out. Literally about 3 breaths and that baby's ready to go. I'm ready to go to bed. Good night, guys. Click the link. I'm going to bed. Oh wait, I promised you guys a bonus. So I'm going to show you the bonus right after this. And here is my gift idea for under $50. It is the C2 Summit Alpha Pop 1. This thing is made out of titanium. You can hardly even tell that you're holding anything in your hand. It is so light. You just twist the handle off and it just clicks over to there, and you just lock this little place there. And you got your handle for your pot. But this thing is awesome. To close it up, you just undo the lock and then you use your finger to push that out. Slides over, and right over that holds the lid on. And this is probably the closest to the $50 mark. Very close. But it is also very awesome. They are quality items that I have tested and tested. I am not sponsored by any of them. So those are my top 6 and bonus gift ideas for your motorcycle camper and adventurer. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to click on the links below to check these out. Maybe order them up. Check back to see the follow-up videos of the up to $100 gift ideas and above $100 gift ideas. Those will be coming out this week. Thanks for stopping by. Happy holidays.